Hi and what's up? I hope you're doing fine. Today I am going to be showing you how to make a very special smoothie that I love making all the time, and this smoothie is going to keep you energized throughout the day. So I'm going to be using mango, sweet melon and banana, and to help us blend the smoothie I'm going to be using milk. To my blender I'm going to be adding in my fruits. So I'm going to start by adding my milk. Next I'm going to be adding in my mango. Then next I'm going to add in my sweet melon. And then I'm going to add in 2 banana. The banana is going to make the smoothie even more creamier. And for my sweet melon, sweet melon has a variety of colors, so I'm using the green and orange. Is it orange? Yeah, orange. Yeah. So I'm going to slice in my banana. Then I'm going to cover. Make sure the lid is tight and blend. My smoothie is ready, so I know it's very tasty from the bananas to the mango. So I'm going to pick a glass and then I'm going to pour myself some smoothie. Yeah. Just look how creamy it's looking. My smoothie is ready and I'm going to add in a straw and then I'm going to have a sip. I love the creaminess of the smoothie and the sweetness. Actually, it's very sweet from the mango to the bananas and the sweet melon. So this will keep me full until lunchtime because I'm dieting. So if you're dieting, this is a very nice smoothie. The sugar will give you the energy to wait until or to fast until lunchtime so that you can have your lunch. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you make for yourself this amazing smoothie.